Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize 1099 contractor portal in Stripe step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the settings option located in the bottom left corner. Under the business settings section, find and select team. Next, click on invite team member. Enter the email address of the contractor you want to authorize. In the Permissions section, select the appropriate access level. Ensure you check the box for Manage Connected Accounts. Click Send Invitation to invite the contractor. Inform the contractor to check their email for the invitation. Once they accept the invitation, they will have access to create a connected account. After the contractor's account is set up, go back to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Connected Accounts section. You should see the contractor's account listed here. Click on their account for more details. Ensure that all required information, including tax details, is completed. If needed, assist the contractor in completing their profile. Once everything is set, the contractor will be able to issue invoices. They can also view their earnings through the portal. Confirm that the payments are processing correctly for the contractor. Monitor any updates or changes within the Connected Account section. This ensures compliance and accurate reporting for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.